What's good, YouTube? Back here again with another video. We're gonna be going to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house, restaurant now. It's the original house from the first film. I believe it was filmed in 1974. I'm obviously riding on my 450ss, and so was my other friend. And then the other dude that was with us was riding a 675, all CFMOTOs. If you guys don't know, the video is based on a real-life serial killer. Well, I wouldn't say based on, inspired by Ed Gein. He was a sick person. He used to rob graves, kill people, make furniture out of their skin. He even wore people's faces. So he's known as the original, the real Leatherface. But anyway, that's enough yapping. And let's get into the video. You almost got it. Oh. I'm gonna hit you.
Oh my god.
Oh! Fuck!
Oh my god.
Bro, it felt like it was.
Holy shit, bro. There's another one. Look, I was getting sucked into the floor, bro.
Yeah, bro, it's literally what it feels like.
I almost went off the line, bro. I didn't think it was gonna be that hard. I should have leaned harder.
Ah, fuck! A bug has been right into my nipple.
The view is sick up here, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, am I recording?
I can't tell. No, that wasn't even a road. I thought I was on the road.
Yeah, me too. That's sick. This is sick as fuck, bro.
Yeah.
I want to go to the front, bro. I want to see the front. Oh, this gravel is not good, bro. Sorry, bro. I'm gay.
We already knew that.
What did it say drinks, bro? What'd you say?
It's on this one.
That's what. The Kingsland BLT, bro.
Yeah, honestly, it's this one.
I have to pull my back. My gooch.
That food was good though.
Yeah, surprisingly, it wasn't gimmicky, bro. Yeah, the fries were hella good.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like gimmicky, you know what I mean? Well, like the food was gonna taste like ass, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That shit was actually pretty dope.
We're going to the Hewitt residence. Hopefully it doesn't turn into Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Yeah, fuck running through these woods, bro. They're not even woods, they're just bushes. Hey, it's alright though. I got the blicky on me.
You got the iffy, sticky, blicky? It's the middle of nowhere.
I told you this shit was in the middle of nowhere. It smells like Copenhagen long cut wintergreen. Yeah, how are they ever supposed to find the damn sheriff in this shit? Is that the slaughterhouse? Is that the mill? Bro, if this was the mill. Oh, that is the mill. Maybe? I don't know. It looks like it.
Just watch the movie.
No, you didn't watch the movie.
No, I watched it, kind of.
Yeah, the last half. Maybe that was a mill. Booyaka! Kasha! Found booklet.
I feel like I'm in the movie.
Yeah, me too, bro. In the middle of fucking nowhere. Is that car following us?
Did they turn?
Yeah.
Well, maybe. No, they turned away. They're like, oh, we don't go that way. We don't go down those parts.
Alright, bro. There's no lines on this road.
Bro, I was just about to say that. That's when you know it's getting a little...
This is the dang Jeepers Creepers road, bro.
Bro, low-key, yeah.
Maybe that's the mill. Every mill I see, that's the mill.
We just see a bus broken down.
Alright.
I'm turning around, bro. I'm turning around. There's a bus broken down. Fuck that.
Oh, bro, I got no service here on my phone.
Dead ass. Oh, hell no, bro.
They
Huh?
just came back.
Oh, I was about to say, fuck that, dude.
That's a bat? That's a bat, bro. God, smells like fucking Afghanistan over here.
Well, there's another one.
I'm just a cameraman, bro. I'm trying to get the angles of the bikes.
You want to trade?
That's why I'm like this.
I'll trade you.
No.
Bro, your bike just takes off so quick. Try to go to the air museum.
Looks closed. What?
I was stretching.
Oh. I'll stretch you.
Not the stretching you're used to.
I'll stretch you if you want.
You're stretching your asshole, you know?
Yeah. Pissing me off, bro.
Bro, why did he slow down?
You just beat a dickhead.
Alright, bro.
My bad. Yeah, that's my bad, bro. I'm sorry. Turn right. Right here.
I was trying to readjust my glasses, and you fucking, all I see is zero, and I'm like, alright, alright, bro. Oh!
Your trunk is open.
Huh?
Your trunk. It's flapping.
Oh shit. Bro, how did that even come off?
That's so weird.
Yeah, that's weird.
El chupa mis huevos. Used to have this water one, bro. It was a glass water Topo Chico, and that shit was fire, bro. It was a fire-breathing dragon, dragging these nuts across your face. Saratoga water. Saratugma.
You think this will
Fuck
fit
my dick.
in the fanny pack?
No. Throw that shit under your shirt, though. Oh, right here. Here it is.
Oh.
Bruh. Bruh. You think this is fire, bro?
I don't know, bro.
Barrilito?
Hurry the fuck up before another one of these bitches drop.
Get your fat ass over there.
Don't yell at me.
Shut up, bitch. Get your fat ass over there.
Hurry up.
Shut up. That shit was funny.
Dude, that shit hurt. It's not fucking funny, alright, guy? Don't laugh at me.
That shit was hilarious. Well, let's hope I don't fucking drop this bitch. I feel like I got a fat woman on my handlebars. Oh fuck, it's so unsafe, bro. I got a fucking torta on my handlebars, bro. Oh fuck.